Three, two. Oh. His first time on a dirt bike going down the road. Sorry if you guys can barely see it. He's like really down there. He's all the way down there, can't see him. Alright guys, we'll be right back when he comes right back down. And we're back. You should be able to see him right here. He's coming down. He's coming straight down. Just go. Well, you can kind of hear him. He's coming.
Here, you want it?
Sure.
I would thank you guys for watching this video, and if you liked it, please leave a like down below. Holy crap, I gotta use the bathroom. Okay, and that was my first ever dirt bike, and first time I rode it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.